How to set up automated emails on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can get started with emailing with Shopify. A lot of people don't even realize that they don't need to go to a third-party platform to be able to start with some basic emails and email marketing on Shopify, and you can do it natively with Shopify's own email tools as well. Plus, you can automate a lot of these things as well on Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is download the email application on Shopify. So usually this is downloaded automatically, as you guys can see over here. However, if you don't have it, you're just going to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings, you are going to go into apps and sales channels. Click on Shopify App Store over here on the top right, and this will open up the Shopify App Store. Over here, just search for email, and once you search for email, you will be able to find Shopify email. This is the application. Now, this is Shopify's native email application, and you can also use some other applications such as Seguno. Seguno is really good as well. And then you also have Ecom Send pop-ups, email pop-ups. So both of these are also some amazing tools. I do also recommend using Seguno. They do have a free plan as well as a 10-day free trial of their premium plan. So I'm just gonna download this one as well to show you guys some of the additional features that you can incorporate with automation into Shopify. Now, once you have the Shopify email tools downloaded, you will be able to see them on the left panel over here. You can pin this in your app section. I just like to pin it to make it easier to access. So once you have emails added, you will be able to see the actual email sent, the average click-through rate, and the sales attributed to emails. Now, below that, you have a type, campaign, and automation section. Now, to complete your actual emails, I recommend that you complete your branding first. So you can customize the branding of how you want your emails to look like. So first off, I like to build this template branding to make it easier for me to automate the rest of my email. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am just going to add my logo like this. I'm just going to open up our logo. Then we have our store name. Then you have your default font that you want to select. Then you have your body. So I'm going to keep all of this in like a nude pink color. I'm going to keep the body, or the text for the body, into a dark pink. And then my buttons should also be a nice warm burgundy color like this. Then after that, we have our button label and outlines, and then we have our background. So I'm gonna put a very nice little pink background like this. And then we have our secondary background, so we're also going to use the pink color for that. Then we have our borders, and then you have the footer. So I'm going to keep the footer a transparent or clear color. And once you have completed that, you're just going to click on save on the top right to make it easier for you to access your branding and to be able to apply this to all of your email automation sequences. Now, once you do that, you can click on create campaign on the top right to get started with building a campaign. Plus, if you click on create automation, it's going to show you multiple different templates to build a automation directly with Shopify's email marketing tools. So you can create a custom automation from the top right, or you can even use some of the pre-made templates. So we have the abandoned checkout, abandoned cart template, welcome new subscriber template, welcome email series discount with a reminder, welcome email series brand story with discount. So you have multiple different types of, marketing templates available. So to automate our emails, I'm going to set up a welcome email series where, there are some follow-up emails as well. And you guys will be able to see the automation workflow. So customer subscribes to our email marketing. We send them the first email marketing, wait 24 hours, and then we send another email marketing email again. Then we wait another time, then we send another email. So we can click on use workflow over here, and once we use this workflow, this will automatically create our section, and the customer's journey is going to start when they are subscribed to our email marketing. Then I have to send my email marketing email. So this is our email template, and I can click on edit email to start building the email that I want to send. So welcome to our store, we're happy to see you here. We have a discount value, and we have this. So we're going to click on edit on the top right, and I'm going to add special offer, get 10% off with your exclusive coupon off 10. And then we can click on select a discount, and you can create a discount over here as well. So from the right panel, I'm just going to add off 10, and this is going to be a 10% discount. And then we're going to save this over here. This is going to be applied to all our products. And then we're just going to click on save over here. And just like that, we have added a simple discount code. We have some recommended products, and I'm just going to click on save over here. Now for our select a discount to feature, and we're going to select this discount like this, and then this is going to display the discount, and I'm just going to click on save over here, making sure. Now we do need to make sure to verify or authenticate our email, so I'm going to name it like this and then click on save over here to make sure it's easier for us to build. Now we can go back, and we can go back to our workflow on Shopify, and then we can choose how long people want to wait, and then we can send another email, then wait again, and send some follow-up emails. And then we want to check if the number of orders is equal to 0. So if even after 3 marketing emails they don't purchase a product, then we can send another marketing email. Now, other than your then options, you also have actions and conditions. So if they do something, maybe you want to provide a different type of incentive, so you can build a secondary option over here. So I'll show you guys how to get started with those, but first we're going to just verify our mail for Shopify, so we can actually verify our email address over here. Now we're going to build our own customized workflow, so we can click on the marketing tools on the top left over here, and then click on automations over here, and this will actually lead you back to your emailing section. Now from here, we're going to click on create automations, and you guys can see some of these are Seguno based and some of these are Shopify mail based. So we're going to click on create custom automation, and I'll show you guys how to build one from scratch. So first is going to be how the trigger is going to start. So you can choose a specific trigger, such as, purchasing a product or registering to your email marketing tool, however you want to get started with your particular type of automation. So I like to go with the Shopify admin APIs, and I want to maybe whenever a customer abandons checkout, then I want to add a condition to check if maybe, or just directly, if someone abandons checkout, I'm gonna add an action over here. Then I want to email them, send marketing email. Then after that, then I want to add a condition. And then this condition that I'm going to select is add criteria. And we can add the criteria if the person has purchased an item. So let's say we want to search for buys, alerts, Shopify categories, and then we want to see if the customer who abandoned this event, if the total number of, if the currency code is equal to USD. So if someone has actually previously spent money on our store, then I want to add the automation action of providing them with a discount code. So now I'm going to go back into Shopify. Then I will go on ahead and search for discount. So we're going to go on ahead and create our new action of a discount code. So in our email, then I want to configure our email, and I'm just going to send a marketing email, which is going to be a discount email, and I can just rename that over here. However, if a customer abandons their checkout, we can send a marketing email. However, if they have not spent money equal to any amount of USD, you can add whatever amount of USD you want. If they have spent that money, I want to send them a discount code. However, if they have not spent that, then maybe I only want to send them a regular email reminding them that they added some items to their workflow, some items to their cart. And now I can click on turn on workflow on the top right, and I can click on turn on. Obviously for that, I do have to add my email, so I'll just select a template from here to show you guys how to actually send the entire tool. I'm just going to click on save like this, And then we are going to add our second email template from here as well. And you can use Shopify's pre-existing templates and customize those accordingly to make it easier for you to send. Because I created my theme already, that is why all of the emails are already presenting in our pre-existing theme. So I'm going to win back with a discount, and I'm going to select this over here. And we want to select a discount off 10, click on save over here like this, and now we can click on turn on workflow and turn on our automation sequence, and now we can automatically, this automation sequence will be sent to our customers, and we can actually see the reach, sessions, orders, and conversion rates for our emails as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.